We're now going to do the brain balance procedure. This is step 3 in a tapping round of peak performance optimization. This procedure actually provides a balancing of the acupressure system within the brain. Now, you'll be tapping on acupressure point 10 repeatedly through this. And think of a clock right in front of you. And look down at 5 o'clock down to your right, and to 7 down to your left. And then you'll circle for 2 revolutions, and then you'll circle the other way for 2 revolutions. You'll hum, count and hum. The whole thing are 9 steps, but what you're doing is tapping the acupressure point 10 throughout. So let's start with finding acupressure point 10, and feel for the gap between the 4th and 5th knuckles, and you'll find the lowest point, and that's where you tap. During this entire time you tap, and then you do these 9 steps. So what you do is close your eyes, open your eyes, look down to 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock, and keep your eyes going that way as they go clockwise. And it's 2 revolutions. And then we do the opposite way, going counterclockwise, and 2 revolutions. And then we're going to hum some notes, different notes with different sounds, and count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And you hum again. Okay, and what happens there is you've done the brain balance procedure. The tapping stimulates the front of the brain. The back of your brain gets stimulated by your eyes circling around. That's your occipital lobe. The tapping stimulates the frontal lobe. And then she was humming, and that stimulates the right hemisphere, or the right part of the head, and then counting stimulating the left part of her head. So she's doing this while tapping one of the most important acupressure points. And this is step 3. You'll have tapped for eliminating psychological reversals. You've done the comprehensive acupressure tapping. Then you do the brain balance procedure, and then you repeat step 2 of doing the comprehensive acupressure tapping sequence known as CATS. So you got to see step 3, and that's what you'll be able to do. The most common difficulty in the beginning is that while you're moving your eyes or humming and counting, you stop tapping on the gamut. Just begin again, pause, and in a few seconds find the gamut, and then you'll be tapping on that. And again, the steps are closing your eyes, opening your eyes, looking down at 5 o'clock, then going to 7 o'clock, and then you'll do 2 revolutions, and 2 revolutions the opposite way, and then humming, counting, and humming. You don't have to worry what you sound like. It's just a matter of that your notes are changing. And that is the brain balance procedure.